Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the fastest physical path: Ethernet cable, direct crossover/USB-C, or a shared Wi-Fi hotspot. Connect cables and power on both PCs. Once done, enable their network adapters in settings and assign static IPs only if needed so they can see each other. Make sure both are in the same workgroup and you have administrator access for sharing. This reduces name resolution issues and removes permissions roadblocks before you move into folder and device. Next, you enable network discovery and file and printer sharing on both machines, because without those services, they won't list each other. Then create shared folders, explicitly add user accounts or everyone with specific read/write permissions, and test access locally. If you want persistent access, map the shared folder as a network drive. Make sure each PC uses a private network profile, not public, so firewall rules permit the traffic. This avoids common blocking caused by strict profiles. To finish, verify connectivity by pinging the other PC's IP or opening its share path. Once you see files, transfer or map as planned. If access fails, check Windows firewall rules, temporarily disable third-party security, and ensure SMB protocol versions match. Older systems may need SMB1 enabled, though be cautious. If name resolution fails, use IP addresses directly or flush DNS and restart the workstation service. One key tip: restart both machines after changes to clear cached credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.